Okay, let the games begin. Tupi United versus RMC Seniors. Go in by Ramon Magsaysay. Risa got the ball. Nakuha ng Tupi United. Outside. Throw in by Riza. Nice try. Bola ng Ramon.
Request ninyo.
Risa, magandang laban. Fresh leg silang lahat. Nakapahulay ng matagal. Ramon Magsaysay ang attack. Kuha ng Tupi United. Long shot. Control, Tupi. Oh, nice try by Ramon. Attempt on goal. RMC attempt. Nice try. Tupi United. Tuntoy yung bola. Kung saan din, mag-boat pa din. Tapos anay mo rin dapat kita. Nice try. Nice kick. Okay. Play by Ramon, kick it to the left. Right play, shot by Risa, deflect, bola. Bola Ramon. Risa throw in. Kuha ng Tupi United sa right. Ball handled by Ramon Magsaysay, clear it out. Kuha sa right, outside, deflect. Bola ng Ramon Magsaysay. Deflect na po niya Tupi. Nice D. Oh, sipa ng Tupi United. Foul. High coach doing. Retake. Ito na. Bola ng Ramon Magsaysay. May chance. Opportunity to score. Nice try. Pasa number 10. Deflect. Uy, di-pass back man sa kay Riza. Riza. Oh, number 4. Nicely. Uy, grabe nakatulak. Abot man sa Senet. Okay, maraming salamat kay Kapitan Yumang, no, para sa ibigay yung support sa atin. And kay sa Barangay Tanos and our medical team, medic team. And to our sponsors, maraming salamat sa palaro na ito. Oh, nice attempt number 11. Ramon Magsaysay. Ramon Magsaysay ang atake ngayon, guys, no? Okay, championship match, no? Sa eliminations, nanalo ang Ramon Magsaysay kanina. Ikaw ito number 11?
Dong, dong.
Ano mag-block?
Hey, papa dong.
Kaya ikaw man ka mag-block si Awaw. Foul? Bola, Tupi. Ayun sa bola. Bola, Tupi United. It's a foul. Nice cross on goal. Oh, it's a corner. Tuga po mag-throw in, oy. Oh, Tupi United. Oh, nagpupunta pa. Oh, Ramon Magsaysay! Here's a goal by Ramon Magsaysay, number 11. It's Awal's game. Shout out Awal. Okay, babawi ang Tupi United, guys. Babawi tayo. Ay, number 11. Dili ko eh. Antay din. Up. Okay, attack ng Tupi United. Nakuha ni Reed. O niya natin si Risa. Nice attempt, nice try. Oh, nice passing by Ramon Magsaysay. Pass to the left one. Kasi ate, nakuha. Oh, nakuha pa, nag-recover pa ng Ramon. Gipasa sa teammate sa gawas. Right. Ramon Magsay, 2P United on the attack. Oh, gibini ng bola. Outside. Bola ng Ramon. Okay. Risa, try. Mag-score pa rin sila ikaduha. Nice try. Attempt on goal. Deflected. Na-deflect ng goalkeeper. Nice defense by 2P United. Grabe mo, score good ang Ramon. House and lot ang premyo. Okay. Yes. Okay, Riza nasa gitna. Palaro. 2P United. Oh no. Outside. Corner kick. Oh, may chance ang 2P to equalize. Sa corner, gi-short pass. Eh, kaganda ng
Wala na yan.
Mas try na post. Oh, bola ng Ramon Magsaysay. 7 minutes to play. 1-0, lamang ang Ramon. 1-0. 2P wants to tabla the game. Ipasa, nituyok-tuyok, ipasa sa gitna. Oh, nakuha ng Ramon Magsaysay, nakuha ng 2P. Deflect. Outside, bola ng 2P United. 2P United, murag mo score, murag mo tabla gid sila. Throw in. Header. Okay, outside. 2P United ball. Throw in na naman. Inside. Nice try. Goal clearance. Bola ng Ramon. Nakapasa sa right wing play. Oh, defense. Oh, na-cross! Exact! Naku! Let's go! Oh! Happy pa! Nakagigi! It's a corner! Okay. Corner or bola na sa goal. Cleared by 2P United. Now, 2P United on the attack. Lead by Ramon Magsaysay. Si 2P United. Gigil ang 2P guys. So, score din ang 2P. They are now on the attack. 2P throw in. Pasa gitna. Bola scramble sa middle. Kuha ng keeper. Yes, by 2P United. Try to cross the ball inside the box. Oh, handball. It's a handball committed by Ramon Magsaysay. Woo! Ano masasabi mo, Ishi? Ang gandang laban. Okay, ano nangyayari niyan? Oh, it's a penalty inside the box, guys. Oh, goal! United equalize the game. Gidala ni Risa. Gagigil si Risa, guys, ha? Kabalo ko ng Risa, di na magpapindi na. Risa on the kick. Didirect a goal. Saved by the keeper. by... Oh, nakuha ang bola. Nag-scramble sa tunga. Oh no, nakuha ng Ramon Magsaysay. Pass to Riza. Riza plays, middle. Oh, nagkaplapok-lapok na ang mga bata, guys. At iguang mo na. Oh. Bola ng Ramon Magsaysay. It's a handball, offense. So, it's a direct hit by Ramon Magsaysay. Try to kick the ball inside the box. Uy, bola. Oh, nagkaligid-ligid na. Ay. It's a foul. It's a chance by Ramon Magsaysay. It's a chance by Ramon. Tanaw na ito ang isang magandang play dire. Okay, naman na ito kung sa hand kick na sa referee. Oh, happy pa ng slide ng atong ref. It's a direct free kick by Ramon, awarded to Ramon. Direct kick. Oh, save by the goalkeeper. Now United, to be United on the attack. Sa left. Cross the ball inside the box. Saved by the goalkeeper. Nakuha ng bola. 2P United. Controls the ball. Oh. It's a play on. 2P United. Kuha ng Ramon Magsaysay. Pass to Riza. Riza plays. Kuha ng 2P United. Now Ramon got the ball. Dribble sa tunga. Nakuha sa 2P. Sama papindi ang taga 2P. Oh, nakuha na po ng Ramon. 2P got the ball. Now, sa right sa Ramon Magsaysay. That's outside.
No!
Bola
Spotty,
ng Ramon. Ramon throw in. Pass play. Header by Riza. Tingnan. Very na makita ang paddle test of the best. Ang madaog, house and lot ang premium and trip to
Jerusalem.
Netherlands. I see. Ramon Magsaysay got the ball. Nice passing by Ramon Magsaysay. Tititaka play sa middle. Oh, cleared by. Na-cleared sa 2P United. Balik sa tunga ang bola. Nakuha sa Ramon. Pass it back sa gitna. Pass. No! Sayang. Wala kadagan. Nice play sa left on pa. It's a tie!
Shoot out na naman.
Shoot out. Shoot out.
Shoot out.
Magandang laban, guys.
2P versus RMMC Senior.